I used to have a Lancer Evolution, and it had a HEPA filter in it to where I lived next to an airport, and I could never smell any of the airplanes or nothing, any of that jet fuel when they were taking off, or whatever fuel it was. Finally, in my new car, they came out with one. I'm going to show you. Show you how to install it. But this is a HEPA from BOSCH. It's supposed to get, it's even in English, premium air filter. I also had a Jeep that had one of these in it, and it was amazing. Here's the part number. We're going to be putting it into a Malibu, 18 Malibu, without dual climate. I'm sure it's a little bit different for dual climate, automatic climate, all that. There is arrows which way the air flows. Make sure you pay attention to that. And I have not changed mine in quite a while, so this is going to be interesting. At least 200,000 miles I haven't changed it. Probably more than that. I do like my Jeep one a little bit better because it has foam on the sides, so when you push up against it, it has a perfect seal. This one's probably going to seal up just like my other one. Not as good. Let's go do it. Okay, it's been a while since I changed my filter, cabin air filter. Probably 300,000 miles. So I'm going to lower this, push in this side, that little clip. Same thing on the other side, push it down. And then I've already had this apart a little bit just to make sure I wasn't being stupid on this video. But this little plunger right here came out of there. I don't know why, but I don't know if I ever put it back the first time I did it. So, and here's the cabin air filter right there. I'm gonna push that in, pull it out, clip on both sides, hinges down. Oh, it was long overdue, look at that. Let's just let everything fall out of the glove box. Gotta pull out the old one. Find something to stab it and pull. Okay, come on out. Oh yeah, that thing is heavy. Look at all that crap in there. That is heavy. And the airflow was downward. So we're going to take our new HEPA filter, and it says which way the wind is blowing. It says upward, but we need it to go downward air. I don't think you guys can really see that in there, but we're just going to slide it in. Push this back up. One side ain't clicking in. I have to pull it back down. Oh, it's because it's caught. Normally I'd vacuum all that out, but I didn't see a lot of debris coming out. Come on, thing. I'm sure that was the right way. Didn't go in like this, does it? Huh. Couldn't go in like that. I'm going to try to center it. Oh, there we go. Got them both clicked in. Now for this. That's just a rubber band. Oh. They designed that for people to mess up. So it just pops right out. Oh. It just pops right out of this. You guys can see it. You push it forward. I don't know how you would have got your hand in there, but they think you would. Yep, let's be all complicated, tripod. You guys will just have to watch sideways. Lots of 2 springs on it. Or not 2 springs, 2 of these little rubbers. That goes right in. Put these on the shaft. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, because I don't even know what I'm doing. I'll put them on backwards. There we go, and I'm going to put them rubber bands back where they were. Can't believe they're still pliable. There's the first one. Oh. Got the first one in. Now the second. Show you guys once I'm done what it looks like. It's kind of a weird design. They know you're gonna mess it up. There we go. So that's what it's gonna look like. Oh, I guess you do got room over here to pull it out. There you go. I don't really know what that shock does. I'm sure that don't, yeah, these stop it from coming down all the way, so if you didn't put that back on, I don't think the glove box would really care. Thanks for watching.